This might be the strongest drink of all time. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make the zombie cocktail 2 ways. You might wonder how it got its name, because if you drink one of these, you're gonna be walking like a zombie. The first one that we're gonna make is the original recipe. This is for you history buffs. Legend has it that this was created by Don Beach. According to Wikipedia, he created this cocktail to help a hungover customer get through a business meeting. How do they know this information? That's very specific. This cocktail is so strong that Don the Beachcomber's restaurants limited their customers to 2. So if you want to be an extra in one of the episodes of The Walking Dead, let's dive into this recipe. So for the Don Beach recipe, you're gonna need a Jamaican dark rum, a Puerto Rican gold rum, 151, some fresh lime juice, falernum, grenadine, bitters, Pernod, and Don's Mix. What is Don's Mix, you might ask? Well, I'm here to tell you. 2 parts of grapefruit juice and 1 part of some cinnamon syrup. Some people will build this one in a blender, give it a few pulses with some ice, and then add it to your glass with crushed ice. But we're gonna build it into a shaker because that's easier, babe. The bar set that we're going to be using today is from Bar Deluxe. It comes with everything that you need to make a cocktail, and you can find this kit on Amazon. First, we're gonna go in with a 3/4 ounce of lime juice, a splash of grenadine, a 1/2 ounce of Don's Mix, a 1/2 ounce of falernum, 1.5 ounces of a dark Jamaican rum, 1.5 ounces of a Puerto Rican gold rum, 1 ounce of 151, and a dash of bitters, and 6 drops of Pernod. Pernod is an anise liqueur, and it's a little bit pricey. If you have a bottle of absinthe, I would just say to use that instead. We're gonna shake this up real good, strain it into our tiki glass over some crushed ice, garnish with some black cherries, a mint sprig, and an inside-out lime half. We're gonna pour a little bit of 151 into our lime and light it on fire. This is maybe not how Don did it, but this is how the Thirsty Bartenders do it, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. Woo! It's strong with the juice in it, like you can't even really tell. That's delicious. On to the next one. This one also has a lot of booze in it, but it doesn't have the 151, so it's a little bit more fruity, you know what I'm saying? For the modern zombie, you're gonna need some lime juice, grenadine, white rum, dark rum, a gold or amber rum, apricot liqueur, orange juice, and pineapple juice. If you wanna make this cocktail alongside me, go to Bottle Rover and get some booze delivered to your door. First, we're gonna go in with a 1/2 ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of orange juice, a 1/2 ounce of apricot liqueur, a 1/2 ounce of a gold rum, 1 ounce of white rum. Shake it up and strain it into a tiki glass over some crushed ice. We're gonna float some grenadine to the bottom of the glass and then float a little bit of dark rum on top. Garnish this with some cherries and a mint sprig. You cannot taste the booze. Comment below and let me know which one of you guys want to help me finish these cocktails. Be careful with this one.